Welcome RM Tech Network Consultants. In this video, I will show you how to make a configuration hotel management network design using a FortiGate firewall. In our topology is a hotel management network design. It consists of three floors, floor 1, floor 2, and floor 3. Floor 1 is a sales and marketing, finance, and IT. And floor 2 is a reception and store, and also floor 3 is a IT and admin. And also there is a 3 firewall FortiGate, and also there is a 3 Cisco routers, and also there is a 3 web web browser that we can administrate firewalls. So network administration is crucial for securing and optimizing network environments, and understand tools like the FortiGate firewall is vital for administrators. FortiGate offers advanced threat protection against cyber attacks, and also effective access control management and traffic optimization, ensuring smooth operations and enhancing user experience. With integrated security features such as a VPN and intrusion prevention, it minimizes the need for multiple security solutions. Overall, mastering FortiGate firewall functionality is essential for maintaining a secure and efficient network. To start in our configuration, first we will make for the configuration for the routers, and the next we will go for the firewalls. So first we will start the floor 1 router, right click, console, enable config interface fast ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, and IP address 20.20.20.2. Subnet mask is class C IP address. Okay, exit. Come this another interface. Come this another interface. Interface fast ethernet. Let me check. 01. Fast ethernet 01. No shutdown. An IP address is a 50.50.50.1 and 255.255.255.0. Exit. Come this another interface. F10. Interface fast ethernet 10. No shutdown. An IP address is a 60.60.60.60.1 255.255.255.0, and then end, and show IP interface brief. Good. Come this another floor 2 router, right click, console, and we will make the configuration this 3 interface F01, F10, and F00. Enable config interface fast ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, an IP address is a 30.30.30.2 255.255.255.0. Exit. Come this another interface F01, interface fast Ethernet 01, no shutdown, and IP address is a 60.60.60.2, 255.255.255.0. Exit come this last or third interface F10, interface fast Ethernet, no shutdown, and IP address is 70.70.70.1, 255.255.255.0, and then end. Show IP interface brief. Good. Come third floor 3 router, right click console, enable config interface fast Ethernet, interface fast Ethernet 10, no shutdown, and IP address 70.70.70.2, 255.255.255.0. Exit. Come this another interface F01, interface fast Ethernet 01, no shutdown, and IP address is a 50.50.50.2 because the another interface was .1, 255.255.255.0. Exit. Show IP and show IP interface brief. Okay. Okay. Come last interface F01, config interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, and IP address is a 40.40.40.2, 255.255.255.0, and then end. Show IP interface brief. Now I finish for the configuration, giving the IP addresses the 3 routers, floor 1, floor 2, and floor 3. In the next step, I will make for the routing protocol OSPF. So enable config router OSPF router OSPF1, the router ID .1.1.1. I will advertise this network, this network, this network, this network, and this network. 50, 70, and 40. 50.50.50.0, wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255 area 0. Sorry, network 50.50.50.0, and wildcard mask is a 0.0.0.255 area 0. Network 70.70.70 dot 0 and wildcard mask is 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 255 area 0. Network come to LAN IP address 40 dot 40 dot 40 dot 0 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 255 area 0 and then end. Good. Come floor 2 router, right click, and I will advertise this network, and this network. Console enable config router OSPF1 router ID is at 2.2.2.2 network 50.50.50.0 area 0 network 60.60.60.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. Good. Network and 20.20.20.0.0.0.255 area 0 and then end. So come last router, how to make configuration dynamic routing protocol OSPF console router enable config OSPF1 router ID is at 3.3.3.3 network. I will advertise this network, and this network 60.60.60.0.255 area 0 network 30.30.30.0.0.0.255 area 0 network 70.70.70.0.0.0.255 area 0 and then end. You see are neighbor 22.2.2.2.2. Good. In our next step, we will make the configuration for the firewalls. So I will start floor 1 firewall, how to make the initial configuration for the administration and giving the IP addresses statically. Right click, console, admin, enter the blank password and enter the new password 123 and also confirm the new password. Config system global set host name FortiGate 1 and then make config system interface. So first I will connect for the port, click Ethernet 0 and click port 1, how to manage and administrate the FortiGate firewall, and also Ethernet 0 admin 2 is a for floor 2 and click port 1 and also click admin 3 floor 3. Okay, I will make invisible all the ports for the web browsers how to be a beautiful. Right click the board and go to style and go to solid and make invisible, and then click OK and go this another floor one. Right click style, go to solid and then make invisible, and then click OK, and then click admin 2 cable. Right click style, then click border style and click invisible, and then OK. Now it looks beautiful. On admin 1 is directly connected floor 1 FortiGate. Admin 2 it directly connects floor 2 FortiGate, and admin 3 it directly connects for the floor 3 FortiGate. So I will finish for the configuration. Config system interface, edit port 1, set mode static, and set IP address. Set IP 192.168.1.99/24. Set allow access, ping, HTTP, and SSH. Set rule LAN and set alias WAN1. Then end. Now we finish for the initial configuration for the web team. Okay, then go the web team web browser. How to administrate in FortiGate firewall. GUI. Right click and give the IP address. So make and comment, and also make and comment, and also make and comment, and comment, and uncomment, and give the IP address 1.2, 1.2, and the default gateway is the IP address for the FortiGate 1.99. Then click save, and then right click start, and then double click. Good. Enter the IP address of the FortiGate .1.99, and then click enter. Perfect. It asks a username and password. In our username was admin and the password. Then click login, save, click begin, select a comprehensive, a set of default dashboards, as well all monitors of FortiFuse. This set will be a familiar to users coming from a previous FortiIS version. Click OK. Don't show again. Click OK. OK. I will give statically IP address in port 1. So come to network, go to interfaces, okay, port 3 is a on and port 2 is on. Port 2 is a WAN port and port 3 is a LAN port. So I will make the configuration both of them. First, I will start port 2, then click edit. Good. The alias is a WAN and the rule is a WAN and give IP statically. The router IP was 20.20.20.2, but in the FortiGate is a 20.1 slash 255.255.255.0. Good. Ping and SSH and then click OK. OK, then double click or click a port 3, then edit. Okay, the alias is a LAN and the rule is a LAN and give the IP address of the floor 1 LAN is a 192.168.20.1 slash 255.255.255.0. HTTP ping and SSH and make a DHCP server. How to give IP addresses the PC dynamically and then click OK. Now I finish for the giving the IP addresses in port 2 and port 3 in FortiGate firewall. In our next step, I will give the firewall policy. Go the policy objectives and click firewall policy. How to create the policy from to LAN policy LAN to WAN and WAN to LAN. So then click create. Okay, the name is A11 and incoming interface LAN port 3 and outgoing is a WAN port 2. The source is a all and also the destination and also is a all and the surface is also all and then close, then click all sessions. Protocol option is your default. Good, and then click OK. Now we create the yeah, okay. Edit. I will rename this one and I enter for how to understand LAN to WAN. Good. LAN to WAN. Then click OK. Now I create the first policy in FortiGate firewall. The remaining one. Good. Then click create. The first was LAN to WAN, but this one is a WAN to LAN. Good. Incoming is a WAN port 2, and outgoing is a LAN port 3. The source is a all, the destination and is a also all, and the surface is a also all. Then click all sessions and click OK. Now I finish for the firewall policy in floor 1 to LAN to WAN and WAN to LAN. Good. In our next step is the dynamic routing protocol for the FortiGate firewall OSPF. So go to network and click OSPF. Okay, the router ID is a 4.4.4.4. Good. And create area. Area is area 0. Okay. And then create the network. Okay, select the area and enter their network. My network is 20.20.20.0/24. Then click OK. This is my WAN network. Okay, let's create in our LAN network. Create another one. Then select the area. And my LAN network is a 192.168.20.0/24. And then click create. Good. And then create the interface. Create the interface. The interface is a WAN 1 interface. It will be a WAN port 2. And then click OK. OK. 10. Hello interval and 10. And then click OK. And then click apply. Setting saved successfully. Now we finish for the configuration for a FortiGate firewall in floor 1 for giving the IP addresses statically, and also we make the OSPF protocol. In our next step we will go the second floor 2 firewall. So right click first, right click console. Okay, it's a admin. Enter the blank password 123 and 123. Config system global and set host name. Host name is a FortiGate 2. Then end. Config system interface. Edit port 1. Set mode static and set IP 192.168.70.1/24. Set allow access ping HTTP and SSH. Set rule LAN 2. Set rule LAN and set alias LAN 2. End. Now I finish for the initial configuration in floor 2 FortiGate firewall. Okay, come on. How to give web terra term in floor 2? IP address, right click admin 2 and give the IP address and comment and comment and comment and comment and comment and give the IP address. The IP address is 70. Okay, and this one is a default gateway in FortiGate firewall. Good. Right click, start, and double click. Good. And give the IP address in the FortiGate firewall, and it is 192.168.70.1. Perfect. Admin, and then enter. Save. Began. Comprehensive. Okay. Don't show again. And click OK. Good. Go to network and click interfaces. How to give the IP address in port 2 and port 3. Okay, you see in port 2 WAN and port 3 LAN, they are on. Okay, double click port 2. Okay, port 2 is a WAN 2 and the rule is a WAN. Good. And give the IP address is a 30.30.30.1.2 was the router slash 255.255.255.0. Okay, HTTP Bing and SSH, and then click OK. Good. Come to port 3 to give the IP addresses. Okay, the alias is a LAN 2, and the rule is a LAN, and give the IP address of the LAN floor 2, 192.168.30.1/24. Good. HTTP Bing SSH and make a DHCP server. How to give the IP address dynamically, and then click OK. In our next step is a firewall policy. Go to policy and objective and go to firewall policy. How to create the firewall policy. Okay, click create. Okay, LAN to WAN. Okay, LAN port 3, and outgoing interface a WAN port 2. Okay, the source is a all. The source is a all. The destination and also all, and the surface also all. Scroll down and then click all sessions and then click OK. Okay, the second policy, create. Okay, first was LAN to WAN, but this one is a WAN to LAN. Click WAN port 2, incoming interface, outgoing is a LAN port 3, the source is all, the source is all, the destination is all, and the surface is all. Then click OK, and then click all sessions and click OK. Okay, now I finish for the creating firewall policy in floor 2. Okay, in our last step, making the routing protocol OSPF, go to network and click OSPF. Okay, the router ID is 6.6.6.6. Create area, click 000. Create network. Okay, select serial, and I will advertise 30.30.30.0/24. Good. And create the interface, and also create the LAN. Sorry, and the LAN is 192.168.30.0/24. Then click OK. This IP is a WAN IP that connected the router, and this one is the LAN for floor 2. Okay, create the interface. The interface is WAN 2, and click WAN port 2, and then interval, and that interval, click OK. OK, and then click apply. The setting saved successfully. Good. And also we finish the floor 2 configuration FortiGate firewall. Okay, come to last FortiGate firewall, how to give statically IP address, and how to create the firewall policy, and how to make a dynamic routing protocol OSPF. Okay, right click the FortiGate and click console. Good. Admin, enter the blank password and create the new password and confirm the password. Config system interface, set host name. Sorry, config system global set host name FortiGate 3 then end config system interface edit port 1 set mode static set IP 192.168.90.1/24 set allow access ping HTTP and SSH set rule LAN set alias LAN 3 and then end. Good. Come on, how to give the web browser IP address, right click, edit config, main uncomment, 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 uncomment. Okay, 90.2 and the default gateway is the IP address of FortiGate floor 3 and then click save, right click, start and then double click. Sorry, and then double click. Good. Enter the IP address 192.168.90.1 FortiGate firewall in floor 3. Enter. Perfect. Enter the username was admin 123. Then click login. Save. Okay, begin. Then click comprehensive. Click OK. Don't show again. Click OK. Okay, come to the network. Go to interfaces. Okay, double click port 2. Okay, port 2 is a 131. Give the IP address is a 40.40.40.1/24 HTTP SSH and ping and then click OK. Okay, come to port 3 LAN in floor 3, double click. Alias LAN 3 LAN 192.168.40.1/24 HTTP ping and SSH and make a DHCP server. How to give the IP address dynamically. and then click OK. In our next step, creating the firewall policy, go to policy object, firewall policy, good, create, okay, LAN to WAN, incoming interface, LAN port 3, and outgoing is a WAN port 2, source source is all, close, destination is also all, close, and the surface is also all, close, good, and click all sessions, and then click OK. I create the first firewall policy. Okay, come the second firewall policy into WAN to LAN. Create WAN to LAN. Incoming is a WAN port 2, and outgoing is a LAN port 3. All, 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 and all. Okay, default and all sessions, and click OK. Okay, the last step, making the routing dynamic routing protocol OSPF. Go to network and select the OSPF router ID, 8.8.8, 8.8.8.8, no, 7.7.7.7. Okay, or yeah, yeah, mm, good, 10.10.10.10, good, and then click create. The router ID is 0, create, good, and create the network. Router ID is 0, and the network is 40.40.40.0/24. That's the WAN network, and come to LAN network, create area, and it's a 192.168.40.0/24, and then click create. Okay, create the interfaces. The interface is a 1.3 interface, one port, 10, Dead interval 10. Good. And then click save. Okay, I will check if the PC can receive the IP address from the DHC PC. Right click the PC in floor 1, start, and right click console. Okay, IP DHCP. Let me check if they can receive IP address or not. Perfect. The PC can receive the IP address from the DHCP. Okay, go this another floor 2, start, and console IP DHCP. Perfect. And floor 2 also it receives the IP address from the DHCP and come to floor 3, start, and right click console. IP DHCP. Perfect. It receives the IP address from the DHCP. Okay, in our last step is to test the communication between the devices, floor 1 and floor 2 and floor 3. Now I am in floor 1. I am going to be in floor 3. So ping 192.168.40.2. It means floor 1 can ping floor 3. So now we finish how to make a configuration hotel management network design using a FortiGate firewall. And please subscribe and share. Thank you.